What's up guys, Shehbaz here. So the Samsung Galaxy S22, Galaxy S22 Plus and Galaxy S22 Ultra were shown together for the first time in live photo and first hands-on video. Samsung Galaxy S22 Ultra received 5 cameras and a thicken due to the presence of the S Pen stylus. Samsung fans were probably not expecting to see a leak of this magnitude so early on. It basically confirms that the upcoming flagship series is going to look like. It also backs up rumors about the Galaxy S22 Ultra having Galaxy Note DNA. Insider Steve Hammerstaffer, better known as OnLeaks, has posted a video showing mock-ups of the Galaxy S22, Galaxy S22 Plus, and Galaxy S22 Ultra smartphones. Such mock-ups are an exact copy of smartphone without electronic filling. They allow you to evaluate the appearance of smartphones long before the release and are used by accessory manufacturers to release appropriate covers. The Galaxy S22 and Galaxy S22 Plus appear not all that different. Samsung has clearly kept all the major design changes for the Galaxy S22 Ultra. The new Samsung Galaxy S22 Ultra mock-up features 5 cameras and a thicker S Pen body. This smartphone really resembles a representative of the Galaxy Note line. As for the Galaxy S22 and Galaxy S22 Plus, they look as similar as possible to the Galaxy S21 and Galaxy S21 Plus respectively. Another well-known network informant, ICE Universe, who often shares exclusive information about the latest mobile industry, has published photos of the Samsung Galaxy S22 and Galaxy S22 Plus and Galaxy S22 Ultra mock-ups in black and white. The new Samsung Galaxy S22 models are up on the Chinese version of the Samsung.com website. Depending on the region, the device will come powered by either Qualcomm Snapdragon 8 Gen 1 chipset or the company's own Samsung's Exynos 2200 SoC. Based on the recent leak, the Samsung Galaxy S22 Ultra is claimed to have 2 models, 12GB of RAM with either 128 or 256GB of storage, and a 16GB of RAM module with 512GB of storage. Samsung is expected to hold a virtual Galaxy Unpacked event on February 8, 2022 to officially introduce the new S-series models. Most likely, the phones will be released on Friday, February 18, 2022. Before that, the Galaxy S21 FE is expected first. This highly anticipated phone will probably debut in January 2022. With the latest Android 12 operating system and One UI 4.0 user interface. That's it for now. For more updates, please subscribe to our channel Science and Knowledge. Until the next video, take care of yourself very well. Peace out.